Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touch assembly on the iPad DYOR 2020. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or cardboard tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. Now lift the screen and place it on the table, then remove two shields by undoing 3 screws, and then disconnect 3 connector plugs that connects the LCD and the body. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. Similar to AR2 and 3, the LCD and touch come together as an assembly, and the replacement part should be an assembly. Replace the broken unit with a new one and start connecting back with 3 connector plugs to the board. Make sure the connection is secured and then add both shields by inserting 3 screws. Now to clamp up the iPad DYOR 2020, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Take the closing book direction and place the screen assembly on the body. Place the bottom section first and follow the top, and then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Here we are using screen bonding clips to tighten the screen to the frame. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave it for some time. Hope Hope you have enjoyed the LCD replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.